back to take a peek with us. On this occasion we ventured into another location in the beautiful Peak District.
Middle Peak complex of quarries, south of Cromford and High Peak Railway, began in the 1790s. It supplied focusing stone for iron and steelworks, then sugar beet refineries, and later became a major aggregates producer. Despite closing in 1992, it still has substantial reserves. Ownership was fragmented with around 40 land holdings. Quarrying history includes lime burning by the Shaw family, starting around 1792. Middle Peak Quarry, formed from various quarries, was advanced by the Derbyshire Stone in 1965 and supplied stone for Port Talbot steelwork in 1967 and 1968. It closed in 1992 but briefly resumed production in 1995 for a road construction project. Additionally, Hopton woodstone was exploited from various outcrops, with the classic variety extracted around 1870 till 1920 and dark variety in the 1980s. Middle Peak Marble Limited now occupies some of the former quarry facilities.
Despite the stunning clear blue appearance of the ponds locally known as the Blue Lagoon, unfortunately it's strictly forbidden to swim in there. It is often extremely cold, very deep, and the water contains rubbish and dead animals. The water at the site has a pH of 11.3. Just as a comparison, bleach has a pH level of 12.3 and pure water is 7. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and leave a comment if you like. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time on Take a Peek with us. Bye!